Hi, thanks for tuning in. It's a cool, windy, wintry morning. I'm out on a farm in the middle of nowhere, just blowing up some rocks in the paddock with detonating cord. So she'll be a nice, loud, action-filled shot. Got 10 holes in there, all about 1 metre deep, and another 2 over there at the other end of that cord. Stay tuned. Okay, the 12-hole det cord shot. Stand by.
I start ripping. If I run in any more, well, you can expect a call.
Okay. Oh, they fixed that up.
Yeah.
It's like almost slatey, isn't it, where it's broken there? Yeah. It's very slate-like colour.
You leave that in the summertime, and that'll split in half.
Yeah, okay.
I think it's from when it was.
Here we go again. Next one. 3 holes in there. And 2 holes up in the rock up there, and we'll be down there. See you at the bang. No, you won't be stopping the tractor with this one again either.
Ah, bloody ripper.
Bloody ripper.
Bloody ripper.
20 years he's been annoyed by this rock.
Yeah. If not more. If not bloody more.
It's gone now.